Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to talk about the best deals going on at Walgreens. Y'all, there are so many good deals. So I will share the deals I did. I'm going to share other deals that you might need for your family. I'm also going to go through the best grocery deals, but I'm also going to show you how I used my spend 40, get $8 in Walgreens cash digital booster and show you a scenario for a $25 moneymaker. Also, if that wasn't enough, I'm going to show you all the items that I found on clearance while I was in this store and a few of the ones that I purchased. Couple of things I want to mention. This week is my birthday week, so happy birthday to me. If you want to do something for my birthday, here are a few options that you can do completely free. Subscribe to the channel. It costs you nothing, but it helps me out. Share my channel with a friend. Like the video. Drop a comment on the post. None of those things cost any money, but it does mean something to me and it's helpful to me. If you've been with me a while, thank you. I appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. I'm excited for a good week. My son has a show this week and I cannot wait to see him because he has a really big part and I know he's going to shine on stage and I just love seeing him do what he loves to do. One more thing I want to share with you before I get into all of the deals this week. I am still consistently posting weekly deals to the community tab. So if you go to my main YouTube page, youtube.com/savingwithchristina, you'll see a little tab that says community. If you click on that, you're going to see that I post deals throughout the week, just things that I find that I think you might be interested in. So check those out. I also have Instagram. That's my main platform at Save with Christina. I have Facebook at Saving with Christina and TikTok at Save with Christina. I don't do a lot on TikTok. That's not my favorite platform. Okay, enough chat from me. Let's talk about some freebies. 2 freebies. You have to pick one or the other. It's this Bausch & Lomb Advanced Eye Relief. This is the one I did. I had done this in a previous week and just pulled it out of my closet. But either of these you can get for free. They're priced at $5.99. There is a $3 manufacturer digital as well as a $3 store digital that will adjust down to the cost of the item, leaving either of these items for free. Now you want to do this as a curbside order. I've heard it's not working in store because the value of those coupons is higher than the value of the product. I have not tested it out. I did it as a curbside this morning, just picking up this one. Now, if these are products that you use, you would actually want to grab both of them because they're buy one, get one 50% off, and that store digital is going to apply again. It just adjusts down. So if you want to get both products, you can snag them both. I want to say it was around like $1.50 for both products, or you can just pick up one of them completely free. Now, easy deal. I love sharing easy deals. The Tide Gain Bounce products are on sale this week, 4 for $10. It makes them $2.50 each. No additional coupons except on the Gain Softener. There was a $1 coupon, so that would make $9 for 4 of the Gain Softeners if you wanted to do it that way. I picked up the Tide because that's what I use. Literally, you could probably turn around and sell these for $2.50 a piece if you like to resell things. It's just a really good price. Now, let's talk about the Tresemme. The Tresemme, $6. You want to pick up 2 of them. That's $12 for both. There is a $5 digital. So you'll pay $7, get back $5 in Walgreens cash, and that makes them $2 for both or just $1 each. Yes, you could use Register Rewards to pay. Yes, you could use Walgreens cash to pay because it's buy 2, get that $5 in Walgreens cash back, making them $1 a piece. I have this in my spend deal, so I'll tell you about that here in just a moment. Let's talk about the Dove. And I'm going to talk about a couple of different ways to do the Dove based on the different coupons you might have. They are $4 each. They are also buy 2, get $5 in Walgreens cash. Okay, so I purchased 4 of them at $4. That's $16. I had 2 different coupons, a $3 digital and a $2 digital. So I paid $11. I got back $10 in Walgreens cash, making it $1 for all 4, or just 25 cents each. Now, some of you may not have that second coupon, okay? So if you bought 2 of them at $4, you used, so that's $8, you used the $2 digital. That makes you pay $6, getting back $5 in Walgreens cash for buying 2 of them. That makes it $1 for both, or just 50 cents each. So 2 different ways based on the different coupons you might have. The Nature's Bounty. So these are buy one, get one free. There is a digital coupon and an Ibotta rebate. So if you get the Nature's Bounty iron at $7.99, pick up 2 of them. Clip the $3 digital coupon in your cart online for curbside. That buy one, get one free is going to apply, so $7.99 is going to come off. And then that $3 digital is going to apply. You'll pay $4.99. Submit your receipt to Ibotta. You're going to get $5 back, making them both completely free. Now, let's quickly review how to get a receipt with curbside. So I do not check in and say I am on the way. I go to the store. I say I'm here to pick up my curbside order. I would like a receipt. All they have to do is scan your curbside order out with the regular product scanner, like they would scan items at checkout, not using their handheld device that looks like a cell phone. If they use a handheld device that looks like a cell phone, you're not going to get a receipt. So ask them, hey, I'd like to get a receipt. And if they seem confused by that, say, hey, if you just scan my curbside order out with that regular product scanner at the register, it will give me a receipt. So that's how I get a receipt for curbside. Now, a couple of clearance items that I found. The Neutrogena, this is the Stubborn Texture Serum. It was $4.99 on clearance, and I had a $3.50 digital coupon that made it $1.49. Same with the Eucerin. This one was on clearance, the facial night cream. It was on clearance for $4.49, and I had a $3 digital. I'll pop it up here on the screen, making it $1.49 for this product here. And then this L'Oreal Paris, I found this one on clearance for $2.49. I didn't have any additional coupons. This was yesterday, so double check in your coupons today because new coupons may have popped up and I forgot to check. But just $2.49 for that face wash. Now, let me show you how I put this together for my spend 40, get 8, and then I'm going to talk with you about a few other deals that I did not do. Okay, so I purchased 4 of the Dove. Again, this was curbside, so I put 4 of the Dove in my cart, 2 of the Tresemme, 4 of the Tide, and then the 2 Nature's Bounty. That was it, okay? Total cost $45.99. After coupons, I'm at $32.99. I used the coupons that I told you about when I broke it down individually. I got back $8 for spending 40. I got back the $10 for buying the 4 Dove, the $5 for the Tresemme, and the $5 on Ibotta for the Nature's Bounty, leaving me to pay just $4.99 for all of it. Now, quickly, let's talk about a way we can turn that into a $25 moneymaker. Okay. If you are brand new to Rakuten, you've never used it before, it is just a shopping platform. It does not cost you anything. I will drop a link below. Using that link and you register for Rakuten, again, it's not going to cost you anything. Then you go, in Rakuten, you go to Walgreens. Okay, you type in Walgreens, it's going to show you, hey, you get 2% cash back for shopping through Rakuten going to Walgreens. You click on that, you put everything I just talked about in your cart, the Tide, the Dove, the Tresemme, the Nature's Bounty, okay? You're going to pay that $32.99. You're going to get back all that Walgreens cash that I just told you about, but you're going to get an additional $30 back from Rakuten because you're new, you used my link, and you spent at least $30, making it a $25 moneymaker. So great deal for new Rakuten members. So take advantage of that if you want. I will put that link that gets you the $30 down in the comments as well as in the video description box. Now, a few grocery deals you might want to check out. The Doritos Minis, for some reason my Microsoft Word auto-corrected that to Minions. But Dorito Minis, buy 2 at $3.49. They're buy one, get one free, so it'll be $3.49 for both, or just $1.74 each. The Frank's hot dogs are buy one, get one free. They are $5.99. That makes them $3 a pack. The pretzel crisps are 2 for $8, but they're also buy one, get one free. That makes them 2 for $4, or just $2 each. The Coke Canada Dry and A&W are 4 for $19.98, or just $5 per 12 pack. The Pepsi Starry Mountain Dew are 3 for $12.99, so these are a better deal at $4.33 per 12 pack. The Kit Kat bars, the frozen ones, are $5.79. Buy 2 of them. They're buy one, get one free, so you'll pay $5.79 at the register. Then you can submit your receipt for 50 cents back on each of them on Ibotta, so $1 back on Ibotta, making it $4.79 or just $2.39 each. The other good deals that I saw that I did not do, the Finish Jet Dry, that like rinse aid, is $4.99. And there was a $2 digital, making it $2.99. And then the Snuggle Softener was buy one, get one free. So if that's something you're used to buying, that might be a good deal for you to snag. I'm always looking for any deals that I can find that are less than what I would pick up at my local grocery store or at Walmart, something like that. Now, if y'all have any questions, let me know down in the comments. If you have other deals you're finding, please share them. I love it when you guys help each other out. So share those down in the comments. Don't forget to stay tuned. At the end of the video, I'm posting all of the clearance items that I found while I was in the store. Hope y'all have a great week. Thanks.